It's your boy JB for Fat Lad Food, and we're making vegan chocolate cake. Peel an avocado and add it to your food processor. Add 200 grams of sugar. Blitz that sucker down into a fine paste. Add 350 grams of gluten-free flour. Add 50 grams of cocoa powder. Add 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Add 1 teaspoon of gluten-free baking powder. Add 400 milliliters of almond milk. Add 150 milliliters of vegetable oil. Give it a blitz down, clean down the sides and blitz again. Pour the mix into a lined cake tin. Cook in an oven, set to 160 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. I've made one mix for one tin. If it's easier, split the mix in half across 2 tins. Now it's time for the frosting. Add 2 avocados to your food processor. Blitz down to a paste. Put 125 milliliters of almond milk into a saucepan and bring up to a simmer. Melt 200 grams of dairy-free chocolate in a bain-marie. Add 25 grams of cocoa powder to a mixing bowl. Add the milk and mix thoroughly. Add in the avocado and mix again. Add the melted chocolate and mix again. Add 200 grams of icing sugar to the mix and combine thoroughly. Now take your cake and ice it on all sides. As always, follow the hashtag @FatLadFood, and if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video.